On TranZact, we have provided a unique transaction timeline feature. That means whenever you create a transaction, either that is a purchase transaction, either that is a sales transaction, a unique transaction timeline get created. Let me show you how it get created and how you can go ahead and identify it. Quickly, let's go to our transaction module. Here, please have a look. This is the list of all the transactions. Some are purchase orders, some are order confirmation. So going below, you can see that all type of transaction. So whenever I will go ahead and click on any transaction, a timeline will get opened up. You can very well go ahead and search the transaction by the company name, transaction name, document number. So the transaction name, the transaction title, which you go ahead and input at while creating the document, that is the reason it is mandatory, because it helps you in searching the transaction accordingly. Suppose if you have not put in the transaction timeline, and if any transaction is 6 months old, how you may be able to go ahead and search that transaction? So that is the reason this is mandatory and it creates a new transaction timeline. So for example, if I go ahead and just open this PO4 wire transaction, so please have a look. Once I click on this particular transaction timeline get opened up, in which I have created multiple documents. So in this way, your document remain in the single transaction timeline. It is easy to go ahead and select any transaction timeline and see what documents are created there. Same going, the transaction status get changed. So this is how the transaction timeline is defined, and a very helpful thing to you. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.